There they are. The two mud running boys. You gonna show us how you can go through that big mud puddle? Yeah, let's see it. Here goes Cutter. Here comes Brody. Woo! Careful! Cutter, how old are you? How old are you? 2? How old are you, Brody? Brody, don't run into him. Don't run into your brother, okay? Yeah, you're kind of fast. You know how to use your brakes, so... What happened? Oh, you were going so fast you got wet? You want me to stay over here so I don't get wet? You can go through? And here comes the little brother. Here he comes. Slow him down, Cutter. You going through? Hey, thanks for waiting, Brody.